Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for all the drone enthusiasts out there. We'll be comparing two drones that offer unique features and functionalities. In the red corner, we have the Holy Stone HS190, and in the blue corner, we have the Ruko F11GIM2. Let's dive in and see which drone comes out on top in various categories. Let's start with the price. The Holy Stone HS190 is available at an affordable price of $0, making it an excellent option for budget-conscious buyers. On the other hand, the Ruko F11GIM2 comes at a higher price point of $564. While it may be a bit more expensive, it offers a range of advanced features that we'll explore further. When it comes to functionality, both drones have their unique offerings. The Holy Stone HS190 boasts one-click takeoff, landing, and a 3D flips function, adding an extra layer of excitement to the flying experience. It also features altitude hold and headless mode, making it easy for beginners and kids to fly. On the other hand, the Ruko F11GIM2 complies with remote ID requirements and offers a flying range of up to 9,800 feet. It comes with a 4K camera equipped with a 2-axis gimbal and electric image stabilization technology, ensuring stable video recordings. Additionally, it has GPS Follow Me, Point of Interest, and Waypoint Fly functions, perfect for capturing stunning shots during outdoor activities. Battery life is a crucial factor to consider when choosing a drone. The Holy Stone HS190 offers a decent flight time, with up to 3 speeds to choose from, catering to different skill levels. However, the Ruko F11GIM2 takes the lead in this category, providing an impressive flight time of up to 32 minutes on a single charge. With 2 intelligent batteries included, you can enjoy up to 64 minutes of flight time per trip. Portability is often a deciding factor, especially for those who like to take their drones on the go. The Holy Stone HS190 excels in this category with its compact size of 2.44*2.44*0.94, which folds into the controller, making it easy to carry in your pocket or bag. It's a great option for those who want a drone they can take anywhere, whether it's a party, school, fishing trip, hiking, or a long journey. While the Ruko F11GIM2 may not be as compact as the Holy Stone HS190, it offers a more advanced remote control design with enhanced image transmission stability and security. The removable joysticks also improve convenience during storage and carrying. The Holy Stone HS190 wins in terms of affordability and portability, making it a great option for beginners and kids. On the other hand, the Ruko F11GIM2 takes the lead in functionality, camera quality, battery life, and advanced features. Ultimately, the choice between these two drones depends on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and buying guides. Until next time, stay smart and happy flying.